I-IEC ithi ukushicilelwa kosuku lokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo kunika umhlahlandlela oqinisa amalungiselelo okhetho olukhululekile nolungachemile. Kanti njengoba selishicilelwe ngokusemthethweni usuku lokuvota, lomhla zizine kuLwezi ukubhalisela ukuvota kanye nokuthi abavoti benze izinguquko zemininingwane yabo kuzovalwa phakathi kwamabili.
In this regard, the Commission makes a final appeal to all eligible South Africans to register or to update their details before midnight tonight, data-free, online, on our registration portal.
Amaqembu ombusazwe abhalisele ukhetho anezinsuku ezingamashumi nomuvo kusukela namhlanje ukuba aletha amagama abantu azobamela okhethweni.
Registered political parties and independent candidates intending to contest the 2026 local government elections have 21 calendar days to submit their candidate list and nomination documents. Prospective contestants can make nominations through two channels, which are: one, the online candidate nomination system, proverbially known as the OCNS.
I-IEC izwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngodlame oluqubuka uma sekubhekwe okhethweni.
Violence is not an acceptable way of resolving conflicts. And we condemn in the strongest possible terms the taking of lives in that manner. No election or no public official or elected representative should go to office at the back of the blood of another.
Usihlalo we-IEC uthanga amakhulu amaqembu ombusazwe abhalisele ukungenela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo.